Hello guys, welcome to my channel Classes for Learning. So guys, today we will know about some of the teachings of Islam. So let's start. So guys, first of all, we will know about the meaning of Islam, that what is Islam. So the term Islam in Arabic means peaceful submission or surrender to God. Means Silm and Salam, which means peace and submission to one God. And a Muslim is supposed to live in peace and harmony with all these segments. Now, teaching of Islam. The basic message of Islam is summed up in the following expressions: No God but Allah. Muhammad is the prophet of Allah. The word Islam means submission, and a Muslim is someone who submits to God. Now, the 6 pillars of faith means the 6 teachings of Islam, basic Islamic beliefs. So, let us talk about them. First is belief in God. Belief in God means Iman. We can say God Iman, and the one and only one worthy of all worships. Belief in angels. Belief in angel, what we can say angels are also known as Malika. Okay. Then believe in God revealed books means believe in the book means kutub, plural of kitab, sent by God. These include all the scriptures given to the prophets. Fourth is believe in messengers of God means believe in all prophets, Nabi and messengers. Rasuf, sent by God. Messengers received a fresh revelation in the form of scripture, kitab or book from God. The prophets reminded people of God's message. Then belief in day of judgment. Belief in day of judgment, what we can say day of judgment, in other word Qiyamah. Okay, and in the resurrection. Belief in predestination. Belief in predestination means belief in fate or qadar. Now we'll talk about the holy book of Islam. Quran is the holy book of Islam, and Quran in Arabic means recitation. Then the most sacred text of Islam is the Quran, and the Quran contains 114 chapters or surahs. You can see here Quran, photo of Quran. Okay. So there are list of 114 surahs or chapters. These are all the surahs. So you can read them out. So let us talk about them. First is Al-Fatih. The second, Al-Baqarah. Third, Ali Imran. Fourth is An-Nisa. Fifth, Al-Ma'id. Sixth is Al-Anam. And the seventh is Al-Araf. The eighth one, Al-Anfal. The ninth one, At Tawbah. The 10th one, Yunus. 11th, Hud. 12th, Yusuf. And the 13th, Ar-Rad. 14th, Ibrahim. 15th, Al-Hijr. And the 16th is An-Nabi. And the 17th is Al-Ira, or we can say Al-Izra. 18th one, Al-Khaf. 19th, Maryam. Then 20, Taha. 21, Al-Anbiya. 22 Al-Hajj, 23 Al-Muninan, 24 An-Nar, 25 Al-Furqan, 26 Ash-Shura, 27 An-Naml, and 28th Al-Qasas, 29th Al-Ankabat, 30th Al-Rum, 31st Luqman, 32 As-Sajda, 33 Al-Ahzab, and 34th Saba, 35th is Al-Fatir, and 36th Yasin, 37th As-Safan, and 38th Sad. 39th Az-Zumar, 40 Ghafar, 41 Fuzilat, and the 42 Ash-Shura, 43 Az-Zuraf, 44 Ad-Dukhan, 45th Al-Jatiya, 46th Al-Ahgaf, 47th is Muhammad, and 48th is Al-Fath, 49th is Al-Huzurat, 50 is Khaf, 51 is Adaf Dazariya, or we can say Adz Dazariya, 52nd is At Tur, 53 An Najm, 54 Al Qamar, 55 is Ar Rahman, 56th is Al Waqiya, 57th is Al Hadith. Then let's come. 58th is Al Mujadila, 59th is Al Hasr, 60th is Al Mumtahna, 61 As Shaf, 62 Al Juma, 63 is Al Mani Fikun, or we can say Al Mana Fikun. These both names are same. 64 At Taghadbun, 65 At Talak, 66 At Tahrim, 67 Al Mulk, 68 Al Kalam, 69 Al Hakka, 70 is Al Marij, 71 Nuh, 72 Al Jin, 73 is Al Muzalim, or we can say Al Muzammil, 74 Al Mudathir, or we can say Al Mudathir, 75 Al Qiyamah, 76 Al Insan, 77 Al Musalad, 78 An Naba, 79 An Nazir, 80th is Abasa, 81st At Takwir, 82 Al Infitar, 83 Al Mattafifin, 84 Al Inshikak, 85 Al Buruj, 86 At Tariq, 87 Al Ala, 88 Al Ghajiya, 89 Al Fajr, 90 Al Balad, 91 is Ash Shamas, 92nd is Al Lail, 93rd is Ad Dhuwa, 94th is Al Insiara, or we can say At Insira. Then 95th is At 10. Then 96th is Al Alaq, 97th Al Taqdar, or we can say Al Qadar, 98th Al Bayya, or we can say Al Bayna, 99th is Az Zalzala, 100th is Al Adiya. We have completed 100 shuras. but there are also 14 more. So let us know them also. Then 101 Al-Qariya, 102 At-Takathur, 103 Al-Asr, 104 Al-Humuza, 105 Fil, 106 Quraish, 107 Al-Maun, 108 Al-Kuthar, 109 Al-Kufiru, 110 An-Nazr, 111 Al-Masad, 112 Al-Ikhlas, 113 Al-Falaq, and 114 An-Nas. So I hope that you all like them and you all will read one of it. And I liked the most which was Muhammad. As we know more about Muhammad, so there is also many histories of Muhammad, how he lived, what he did, and many other things about him. So okay guys, it's time to say goodbye. So guys, if you like my videos, please share it to other peoples and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.